Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Debian VPS using Borgmatic step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Debian VPS using SSH. Use a terminal application like PuTTY or the command line on your computer. Enter your server's IP address and your username. Type the command to connect, SSH username at your _server_IP. Enter your password when prompted. Once logged in, update your package list to ensure you have the latest software. Run the command, sudo apt update. Next, install Borg in Borgmatic. Use the command, sudo apt install Borg backup Borgmatic. After installation, create a directory for your backups. You can do this with the command, mkdir/backups. Now, initialize a Borg repository in your backup directory. Run the command, borginit encryption equals repo_key/backups. This will create a new Borg repository with encryption enabled. Next, create a configuration file for Borgmatic. You can use your preferred text editor, like nano, with the command nano::.config/borgmatic/config.yaml. In this file, define the repository path. Set it to location, source/backups. Then, specify the paths you want to backup. For example, add /etc/home/var/log. Customize the configuration to suit your needs. You may also want to adjust retention policies. This controls how many backups to keep. Once your configuration is ready, save and exit the text editor. To test your backup configuration, run the command, borgmatic config validate. If it passes validation, initiate the backup with Borgmatic. The backup process will begin, and you'll see progress in the terminal. After the backup completes, verify it using borglist/backups. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.